have happened. Not like this, not this way. Not in the land we call home, where we bow our heads and pray. A life was taken from us, not by faith, not by time, but by the hands that swore to protect and cross that deadly line. You were a son, a father, a husband, a brother, my blood, a man with laughter still to give. Now buried beneath the mud. This is not the Fiji we know, not the smiles, not the open arms we show. Where is the justice? Where is the law? Where truth is weighed and guilt is proven first. This shouldn't have happened, but it did. And now we grieve for the man we lost, and the Fiji we are losing. Who gave the right to play judge, jury, executioner? Who decided suspicion was enough to silence a heartbeat forever? Today greed spoke louder than reason. Power stood taller than right, and silence fell where voices should have risen. On that long and bitter night, you were an uncle, a dreamer, with love still rooted deep, with dreams that didn't deserve this end, a wound we will always keep. This is not the Fiji we know, not the smiles, not the open arms we show. Where is the justice? Where is the law? Where truth is weighed and guilt is proven first. This shouldn't have happened, but it did. And now we grieve for the man we lost, and the Fiji we are losing. We've been living over anger, in fairness over force, in humanity over power, but something lost its course. We won't forget your laughter, we won't forget your name. We carry you in our hearts, and we will never be the same. This shouldn't have happened, but it did, and we grieve for you and for the Fiji we are losing.